This is the oldest source of energy known. It is clean and unfailing. Sunlight. It can be collected and stored, but how? Solar energy makes this house comfortable, also in the evening. The sun heats the floor and creates warmth. Warm water, also after days with little sunshine. This is where it begins, the gateway for the sun rays, their energy, their warmth. The collector. Vacuum tubes for high solar storage, also during cool weather. However, the secret is inside the heart of the system. The solar layered storage unit Latento. Insulated input and output pipes, they transport the solar fluid from the collector to the core of the Latento facility, the layered storage unit. This determines the promptness of the solar water heating and also the duration of warm water supply, because it also warms water and the heating circulation at night. The Latento storage unit has an amazing performance. It supplies warm water much more quickly than standard solar storage units. Its energy production is also higher because it also uses even low amounts of solar radiation. The storage unit saves warm water up to 95 degrees Celsius in advance for many sunless days. There is hardly any overheating and standstill loss. How is this possible? The Latento functionality is as simple as it is efficient. This also applies to the storage medium, namely water. The storage water fills the container and surrounds the heat exchanger elements. Significant here is that the storage water is stratified. At the top, the hot level with a maximum 95 degrees Celsius. Lower down, the temperature is reduced to the cooler area at the bottom. This level is supplied by the solar fluid from the roof. It circulates through this fin tube element, the heat exchanger for the storage water. Firstly, the heated storage water also collects in the upper hot level. This keeps it at a constant temperature. The highlight, latent material supplies in the upper level an additional heating and hinders vaporization of the storage water. Drinking water for the bathroom and the kitchen passes through the heat exchanger, from the lower level to the top level. This enables that the drinking water is initially heated so that it becomes hot more quickly at the top level. In other words, it collects energy lower down and then cools the storage water. This is an advantageous interaction because cooler storage water collects new heating energy more quickly from the roof collector. The Latento XXL is not pressurized. There are no currents in the storage water. This is what ensures an optimal layering. The heat can flow upwards without resistance. The storage unit loses hardly any heat to the outside. The container of synthetic material is insulated with a highly heat-insulating rigid foam material core. Despite its sophisticated functionality, the control of the Latento solar layered storage unit is very user-friendly. The Latento all-inclusive controller activates other sources of energy at various levels. in the case that the radiation from the sun is no longer sufficient. Variably adjustable also for the non-professional. The Latento solar energy system, fast assembly with high solar energy yields, a long functional life. It lowers energy use and operating costs and is practically failure and maintenance free. Warm water, for heating, for the bathroom and for the kitchen. Drinking water, a valuable nourishment. It is a long distance from the house connection to the water tap. What is the best route? The route through the Prenato pipe has something to recommend it. Pipes made of cross-linked polyethylene create no taste, are quiet, durable, lime-resistant and are not affected by pressure and temperature. The Prenato pipe's range has a diameter of between 14 to 63 millimeters. The Prenato Universal Tube System. The Prenato Universal System is designed for the professional engineer. The scheme of the connecting elements is clear. Working with the Prenato material is easy and it is designed for on-site assembly. Whether sanitary or heating installation, one single fitting range connects PEX and multi-layered pipes. The highlight? Nanotech pipes. They combine the highest flexibility with the resistance to oxidization and the appearance of metal pipes. Welding, soldering, cementing or trimming are not necessary with Prenato pipes. This is thanks to the pipe material. After sliding the sleeve on the pipe end, the pipe is expanded. The joint now fits into the pipe. Push into place with the special Prenato tool and finished. The advantages? The pipe diameter at the joint remains the same despite the fitting, and the larger sealing surface ensures sustained functionality. For any type of construction work, the appropriate installation technology. The Prenato Universal System fulfills all variants. With components for the front wall installation, for the concealed installation and for lightweight construction. With Prenato, you always have the right fitting to hand, for the slotted pipe as well as for others. The Prenato sanitary system offers solutions for all installations, connecting pipes for special installations such as the WC, or ready-made detail solutions. This saves time and money. It is the greatest strength of the universal system to be applicable for every task. With a specific series, for the heating system renovation in older buildings, as much as for the construction of new facilities. The connection of radiators from the wall. Or directly from the floor. No matter in what way, Prenato can do the job. For example, concerning skirting board connections in older buildings with special Prenato joint components for the smallest of spaces. Heat without a radiator, at least one which is not visible. Surface heating for the wall and floor are an elegant alternative. For wet heating, there are 3 variants available. The Prenato tacker system, the fixing rail and the knobbed board system. or the Prenato dry solutions with special system elements developed together with the prefabricated house industry. They ensure optimal heat distribution and a higher capacity. The Prenato dry system is suitable also for the installation of a wall heating system, such as the Prenato fix-in rail system for plastered walls. The advantage is clear: only one system for the walls and floor. Radiant heater controlled in the Prenato heating circuit distributor for heating or cooling. Comfortably controlled with the thermostat in the room. The Prenato installation system, heating and water wherever you need it.